Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing all of my fidgets, and yes, my collection is still growing. So first thing I'm going to pick is this unicorn dimple. I got this from a mall and it's really good. I like it so much. And I really like the colors. Okay, next item is this pea popper. I really like these because they're so cute and they look like little edamames. I actually have two and they're really cute. I definitely recommend these. You can get these off of Amazon. Next item is this infinity cube. You can also get this off of Amazon. I really like the colors. And if it breaks, you can just put it back together. And I really like it. It helps with my stress. And yeah, I just really like it. Colors is just really pretty. Next fidget is this marble and mesh. I just like this I like this so much. It's super duper fun. And I like moving the little marble inside. It helps with my stress. And you can get these at malls. It's blue and you can like stretch it out. Next item is my pop tubes. I have 3 colors. One is orange, one is green, and one is yellow. I'm gonna test the yellow one out first. It's really loud and it kind of looks like a pipe. And then when you stretch it, it's really long. Here it is. Here's all of them. You can get these off of Amazon. Next is this dimple digits. I really like the colors and the textures, and I really like popping them. Both sides are excellent. I really like popping them. Next fidget is my monkey poppet. I got it from the mall and you can get these off of Amazon as well. I really like popping them. It keeps my hands busy and I like the color. And I absolutely love monkeys. Here it is, and this is the quiet side. And this is the loud side. I definitely recommend these. Next fidget is this Among Us tie-dye poppet. I really like it. It's white, blue, and white on top of here. Here's the quiet side. And here's the loud side. You can get these on Amazon. I definitely recommend these. This is my favorite. And this one, it doesn't pop. So make sure you guys get a poppet that actually pops. I like the colors but I don't like the popping. It just doesn't pop. So be careful what you're buying. But after all, I still really like the colors. I don't recommend it. Next is this purple flower poppet. I really like it. It's super soft. And I got this one on Vaughn's. Here's the loud side. Here's the quiet side. I like it because the bubbles feel furry and they keep my hands busy and it looks really pretty. This hexagon poppet, this hexagon rainbow poppet is actually really good. I like it because it's furry, and I got it at the Tokyo store at the mall. The loud side is actually really good. It's kind of sensitive, but it's okay. I still really like it. I love this one. I recommend it. Next poppet is this rainbow poppet. I really like it because I like hearts and I like rainbows, and this was my actually first ever poppet. I love everything about this, and here's just the loud side. This is the quiet side. I recommend this. Got it at the mall. Next is this square poppet. This rainbow square poppet. I recommend this. I got it at Vaughn's. And it's super easy to pop. I love all the colors to it. I really like the loud side because it's actually really loud. Here it is. And next is this 4th of July heart poppet. I really like this one because it's soft and the loud side is really good. But this is the quiet side. I definitely recommend this. It's really pretty. And next we have this blue bear poppet. It's super cute and it's really good. I really like to pop it. You can get this at Amazon, and I really recommend this. Here it is. It's the quiet side. The quiet side is kind of louder than this side. That's what I like about it. And you don't have to push too hard. And lastly, I have this big jumbo poppet. It's really cool, and this is it compared to a normal poppet. I really like it. This is the quiet side. I love all the colors to it. And it came with a keychain when you get it. Here's the loud side. I 1,000,000% recommend this. I really like it. It's super colorful and I really like it. And that was all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And comment down below what was your favorite fidget, and comment down below what we should do next. Bye, guys. I love you.